noticed the governor was a little bit lazy, a little bit slow coming in to give it a bit more juice yesterday when I needed it, like when I was letting up the clutch and stuff like that, or I was pulling back the throttle. So what I'm going to do is, now that I've loosened off the lock nut there, is I'm just going to give it a half turn, or a full turn maybe. As I know some other people on YouTube that work on these engines do say to try and give it 2 turns, up to 2 turns after you do feel resistance on that. That just takes out the free play. So what's that, 1 turn there? So what's the chance to see, is it any better? And I put the tools in the toolbox here, and if it's better, well and good, and if it's not, well, we can revert back. We know we've only gone one turn extra, so I can put them in there, and we'll have to go and get another load now of stones, and we'll see how it starts, and we'll see how if the governor is working a bit better. Try it for a cold start. Seems a bit hesitant, and it normally doesn't take that amount of choke after a start, so I'm going to put that back and see if it makes any difference. Turn off the engines to be safe. I just noticed there when it was actually started, it was nearly acting as if it was running too lean, so I'm going to bring that back to where it was, tighten up the lock nut. Shouldn't really make a difference to how it revs, but all the same, I'm just going to give it another start now and see. Obviously it's not a cold start, but see does it respond differently. So I've richened it up a little bit there in the main jet as well, so I know that these engines, you know, they do need to be, you know, regularly tuned, but see how it goes now. One stone still in the box I want to put behind the shed. There's a lovely boat on the sea out there. Beautiful weather. So just throw that in there. So it's on TVO now. I just put the heat shield back on because I forgot that the other evening, so let's go and get a load now. So yeah, we still have a few more to take out of this pile, and there's a few more piles yet. So let's start getting loaded up. So that'll do. Nice little load there now. Don't mind taking too much. Beautiful evening. So let's bring this home. We'll bring it home the main road so I won't be recording it. Okay, that's us. Definitely feels a lot steadier than 20 with a bit of weight on it. Yeah, a lot steadier. The Ferguson 20 is a bit of a rodeo. These two big boys here, again they don't look big but they're the height of the transfer box. These are going in this line of stones, a little bit squarer. Them just thrown down quickly there. I'll be redoing all of them. I'm slowly making a wall using these as spares, so ready now to go and get another load. She comes into the high box, grind the gears. Oh Jesus. Nice fishing boat out there. For another load. I brought me bar as well, so I'm going to poke up a few of them, and some of them are going to be nice for building a wall, and some of them are going to be using them to fill up a bit of a hole that I have for filling. So let's see what we can pull out of this pile. Ah, there's a nice level load, fair bit in it there as well, to be honest with you, but sure, look, we'll see. So that's where we're bringing them there now. So plan is to keep putting one layer down, and I can come back then with the smaller ones like I have there. They call them spally around here in Irish, and we can start levelling off. But the main thing is to get one level down first anyway. Now, like most lads my age, I did enjoy a game of Lego. I think those three now are after mating up fairly well. Just for the first row. There's still a few more here, Lego bits to play around with. The smell of TVO is special. She's running very well. A few stones left over from yesterday evening in the box because a neighbour called in with his newly purchased 135 Massey, and we were having a look at that and maybe planning to do a little bit of work on it. So I can put some of these to work. I have 3 places for stones at the moment. I'm actually hopefully going to be extending the shed, so I need certain types of stone for that, like them. Maybe even that, if I can lift it, I should be able to. So that was yesterday's work. Today's is to get rid of them. So what we're going to have now is another whole start. So yesterday, it's probably going to be in this video anyway. I was messing around a little bit with the governor on the engine over there. So we'll see how it starts this evening. I didn't turn it back to petrol actually. I could easily edit this out. This is a common mistake. I just stopped the engine on kerosene, so I have to drain out the kerosene from the carb and allow petrol through. So easy mistake. 2. That's not enough. Drained out, so I'll bring you over and I'll show you now what I probably have to do. It won't start, it's just because there's kerosene on it. So as I said, I could easily edit this out, just delete the videos, but you know what, this is a problem. I came home and I literally just stopped the engine on kerosene, so I'll go and get the funnel and I'll drain this out. Yeah, probably just have to. If it doesn't start, it's only because there's still kerosene in it. Starting to go petrol there now. A little bit more to make sure. You actually see the red colour in it, so try this for a start now. Should be flooded here. That's strange now, it's taking so much draining. Bit of an old bang over there and a big load of smoke, kerosene. Whoa, the smell. You got to admire the character of these old engines. Jesus, the smell. It's lovely, but not in that amount of smoke. That sounds good. Right, so let's get these offloaded. Actually, before I go any further, yesterday I noticed the clutch was just grabbing the slightest bit. So I'm just going to adjust it a little bit. Just going to mark where it is now. By grabbing, I mean you'd have it pressed to the floor and it was still kind of driving, so it's a little bit awkward. So what I'll do is I'm going to lift up the pedal a little bit. So I'll get my bungee and come back. Bungee on there. It's not you know, it's not savage tense, or it's just literally just to take the weight of it. So when I loosen this, it doesn't go very far out of kilter. So I'll loosen it a little bit and lift up the pedal ever so slightly. Actually, I can leave the pedal where it is, just move this back a bit. Am I right in saying that? Or this way? Let me see now. Yeah, I think it's this way. Let's go. God damn it, the whole nut is turning. The bolt is turning with it, is it? No. Getting a grip on it there now. I think that's after doing it. Yeah, that should have adjusted a bit more now. It's always good to mark it so you have a little reference. Yeah, there we go. Chance that. I'll bring the tools with me just in case I need to do a little adjustment on the go. The good old 11/16 spanner. We'll throw that in there. And yeah, take off our. Sure, it's through using the tractor that we're kind of seeing these little jobs, noticing that these little jobs need to be done. So now we should be ready to motor. Okay. Yeah. We need choke. I'll know now in a minute. Oh, we're getting great. We're getting loads of live mistakes here today. That's what happens when you turn off the fuel. A second just to fill. she could ask a foal. It's not as hot. Now we can leave her here now. Put the handbrake on. Let her warm up because it'll be going for another load of stones. So we'll leave her there about whatever she sits at there. Yeah, leave her there. $800 revs. That'll heat her up. So now on with the gloves. Get these offloaded. Oh, we got here. So I just noticed a few more stones I'm starting to poke up here now that I can use. So I'm going to try and take a few of these as well. Some nice building stones in there. I'm not going to bother taking this time now. The rest of them are very big, so bring her back home now.